Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see footage you've previously recorded on your GoPro MAX2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just finished recording and you want to go ahead and see the footage. Just make sure that the footage is okay or see how it looks. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now let's go ahead and turn on our GoPro MAX2 by holding on the left side. And then what you're going to do is that you're actually going to go ahead and swipe up and hold down, and it's going to pull up your previous footage. So this is our previous footage that we just had that's 19 minutes long. And you can cycle between different footages if you scroll left and right. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your previous footage on your GoPro MAX2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.